lucky we did it now. So I reckon in 50 years it will change dramatically.
Yeah.
Even this will probably be a little bitumen road, you know. I'll probably cut it a bit wider and make it a dual lane bitumen road.
Oh, that'd be a shame, wouldn't it?
It would be a shame, yeah.
But now if you can hear him, but he was saying like in 50 years or however many years they'll probably have this as bitumen road, like cut it back.
It will be opened up.
So that more cars can come through, which will be a real shame because it's too pretty.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Well, that's a steep bit of down here. See all the big palms and everything.
It's beautifully written.
I didn't tell you about this way, did they? Did that woman at the croc tent say how much of a nice drive it is through here?
Yeah, she said it's like through rainforest and stuff.
Oh, bit of a tree and poor tree. Oh, wow. Poor tree whacked me.
This looks a little bit reminiscent of a DVD that I've seen of the crepe train.
Yeah. Oh, it's starting to get brighter again, so the sun's coming through the top. Oh, there's a car just pulled in there, so we have to pull over.